Welcome to another Omenani series with Nzetobo Sigwe, Ezikolomuo. Today I want to discuss the multi-dimensional level of Shi. Before I proceed, I will apologize. For almost 2 months, I've not uploaded any video on this page or that's teaching. It's because of some circumstances beyond my control, and but now we are back, and I hope moving forward that I'll try as much as possible to continue with my scheduled upload weekly teachings every week. In fact, I'm thinking of going live to introduce like live teaching, live session once in every month. If some of you are okay with it, you can let me know so that we can make arrangements for it every month. Perhaps the first Sunday or the last Sunday or second or third Sunday, we can choose. We can have a live YouTube recorded teaching so that you can ask questions. It will be a live session, at least between 30 minutes or 45 minutes. I wouldn't want it to get up to 1 hour. I will be live, and we'll have a topic that we'll treat and questions will be asked. Thank you. Now, the multi-dimensional level of Shi. Shi is one of the fundamental teachings and unique philosophies peculiar to Igbo. As expected, there are multi-layered meanings and interpretation to the Igbo concept of Shi. Let's look at these different dimensions of meaning to Shi, especially when we say Malushigi. When we say Malushigi, it has dimensional meaning to it. Number one, Chi as a spirit guide or God. The Igbos believe that everyone has Chi, Onyon and Weluchi. Chi in this context means a spiritual guide or a personal God that helps one in piloting and directing their affairs, to having a meaningful existence here on earth. When we say Malushigi on this aspect, Shi as a guide or as a God, is about you knowing and identifying and aligning with this guide or God that will help you have a meaningful existence here on earth. This means Shi as a guide on earth or as a God, your own personal God, or what I will call your own personal Lord and Savior. The person that helps to guide you, to shield you, to protect you. That is what Shi means at this context. If we say Shi in this context, we are saying Shi have this kind of meaning as a spiritual guide, as a God, your own personal God. Everybody have their own personal God. Everybody have their own personal guide. So as a Maluchigi on this context, you are saying go and know your own guide. Go and know your own God. Now we have number two, we have Chi as faith. Faith, F-A-T-E. The Igbos believe in fate or predestination. There is what we call onatalushi. This means what you have been fated to be, you cannot escape it. We'll say, na dibia gwacha ifeni, dibia gwogolo ntanimo, dibia gwe na gwana, no ya gwonigono onatalushi. That means the dibia cannot change your fate. Dibia cannot avert your fate. If your fate is that you are going to die early, you are going to die early. That the Dibia cannot escape it. If your fate is that you are going to have a life filled with suffering. In fact, we also have another saying that that means whatever thing that the person that has been fated to experience a hard life do, that thing will always, even if it goes smoothly for others, it will turn out difficult for the person. So here we are talking about faith. Chi in this context is what? Faith. So when we say Maluchigi in this context, at times you are saying, know your Chi. You don't know the context. They are telling you about knowing your Chi. It might be for you to know your faith. It might not be to know your God or your spiritual guide, because you have known your spiritual guide, but have you known your faith? Have you known your destiny? Have you known your destiny? So Aneku Maluchigi, in a different context, it has a multi-layered dimension to it. So you are reminded that you cannot escape your fate. So it's important for you to know that fate and embrace it and accept it, because you cannot avert it. You cannot avert onatalushi. Number 3, chi as time. The Igbos at the break of each new day, as it chi efugo, ebola chi. Have you seen a new day? A new day has broken. Chi efugo. So a new chi has come. That means a new day has come. So each day means a new chi, a new time. So chi in this context means what? Time. Chi jie, that's when dusk comes. When darkness comes. When darkness comes, as soon as chi ejigo, that means the day has ended. So you see that chi is being used as what? Time marker in this context. So if chi is said in another context, maluchigi, you are also being asked to know, do you know your time? If any name will time. Do you know your time? So maluchigi can also come in the context of what? Time. Do you know the time allotted for you to break forth? Do you know the time allotted for you to set forth at dawn? Because time is either breaking out or ending. Some people, if I have time here endigo, chife endigo that time that chi efugo ha or na chi ejigol ha. So ane go maluchigi, it has multiple layers of meaning. So ikwese ma mgbe chi folu gi na mgbe chi jie na gi. When the day breaks forth for you, when a new dawn has come forth for you, and when the dawn is when the day is setting forth at dawn on a GAG. So which context can eku maluchigi? Enwe chi as spiritual guide. Enwe chi as what? Faith. Enwe chi as time. Ema your time. Emo ogegi. Emo ogechigi. Now we have chi as an ancestor or counselor, an advocate, your personal advocate. Igbos believe that there is a constant court session where your life activities are argued and decided in this court. We, the living, as we are living life, our life, what we have done or what will happen to us in the future is being decided in this court. This is why they say that that means you cannot determine, pass judgment on someone who is living if the person's advocate, chi, is not present in that court session. The person's chi must be what? Present. So in this context, if they say maluchigi, you are asked to know your what? Advocate. Know your personal lawyer. Are you in tune? Are you aligned? So that what? You will know the decisions. You will know what and what is being argued for or against you. You make your case. That's why even in the morning, you make your case before your chi. You make your case before your chi, so that your chi will also have more information to argue your case in anamu. So if we say maluchigi in this context, I say go malu your personal lawyer, malu your counselor. So align with your spiritual word, counselor. So you can see from these 4 perspectives, you can see that chi has multi-dimensional meanings. So if we say maluchigi, many people are always limited to one meaning to it. It might mean that it's your time that you have not known. It might mean that you have not known your faith. But you have aligned with your chi, perhaps at a spiritual guide or God. But you have not aligned with chi as time. You have not aligned with chi as faith. You have not aligned with chi as counselor that you dialogue with every day. So there is a multi-dimensional meaning to it, to Emaluchi. Each one needs to be what? Known and kept abreast with for a what? A whole and full understanding of your affairs as an individual. So a Malago Chigi as a spiritual guide, a Malago Chigi as faith, a Malago Chigi as time, a Malago Chigi as your counselor. Jay Malo Chigi, Dalo, thank you. Thank you for watching this video. If you like the video, please like, subscribe, and share. I would like to hear from some of you. If you have any question, please, you can reach me through the number on the screen, or my email address, or my other social media handles. Thank you. Thank you.